trendy right now. Everybody is doing this super textured art pieces, and it's time to do them together, but not for the ridiculous price that people are showing up. We're literally gonna use an old painting, disgusting one that you have around your house, add products inside, and make it with like $20. First thing to do is obviously take out your old painting, and if you do not have that, go to a thrift shop and you can buy it for $1-2. So the budget more or less stays the same. After that, we're gonna take out some trash bags. You're gonna need 2, 3, 4 according to the size of your painting, and you're gonna fold it on every single edge, connecting all the pieces together. We do not want any water, any liquid to pass through the painting. Little genius tip is to add this metallic little hangers inside the painting itself, so that after, when we want to put it on the wall, we're not gonna have to create any hole on the joint compound itself that is gonna damage the painting. So you're gonna put them on the plastic bags and then use some little tape to close all the holes of the hangers. I don't know how to call this, but anyway, you need to seal it very well so that nothing of the joint compound passes through, so that the holes stay, and you're gonna be able to hook that on the wall. We're gonna need a lot of joint compound for this DIY. So if you have just a little bit of leftovers at home, no, it is not gonna be enough. You have to go and get a full package. Then you mix it together with the water as much as you can. We want it to be super smooth, but at the same time, kind of dense. Because if it's too liquidy, then at the end, it's not gonna keep all the texture, and that's the most important part. We are now gonna use all our anger issues and splash everything inside our frame. It absolutely does not have to be equal. So just splash all you have inside, and then pass your hand, your machine, your little spoon, your flattening things, whatever you have to make this as textury as you want. And after, my friend, you're gonna have to leave it dry for something like 3 days.
One eternity later.
Once you waited eternity and you can finally take it off, you're gonna realize that while you delicately take it out of the plastic bag, you are gonna end up a little bit off the borders. That's totally fine, because the thinnest parts are not gonna stay together, so break them up and create a shape also with the brokenness of the edges and take it out. Once it's out, you're gonna have to wait again 1-2 days, because the inside of it, where the plastic was, is still wet. This is like a nightmare. How much waiting can we do? Yes, we waited enough, and finally it is time to paint all over it. I decided to do it with spray paint instead of normal paint, and it was so much easier to go inside all the creases of it. I had to give it 2 layers of paint, and then it was finally time to hang it on the wall. I freaking love this piece. Let's go see it together. Before we move any further, let's take a moment to thank my Patreon subscribers: Amber, Jen, Shai, Lisa, Kim, Arash, and Janani, Sahar, Leslie, Asia, Manuel, and Zari. Thanks for your support.